Hello coders, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll tell you about the basics of if and else statements. So these are the conditional statements. So if some condition is met, then that set of block got executed. So let's start. So it is starting with if condition. So we have if, then we have the curly braces. Okay, then our else part starts, then again the curly braces like this. Okay, so here in if condition we have some statement, whether true or false. Okay, so whatever condition here, it will give us true and false. So I will take true here. Okay, and I'll take one header file as well for this to work. Std pool. Okay, then save it. Then in case of true, I'll print this is true statement. Okay. And in case of else, if this condition is not met, then it is a false statement. So let's see first which statement will execute. Okay, I'll save it, I run it, if else. Okay, so this is a true statement because this condition got met here. Okay, so if I take a false statement here, so that condition comes out to be false. So what happen is the output will be jump to the next block of else, and it will print this false statement. Okay, so whatever condition output is there, depending on that, it will give you that block. Okay, so I'll take an example. I'll take an integer marks. Okay, so it will be, I'll say 63. Okay, so I want to check the condition whether the marks, when the marks is greater than 63, it should print in the if condition, and if it is less than 63, then it will jump to this condition. Okay, so I'll take the condition here. If marks, so this variable is greater than 63, then I'll take use code marks, and if it is false, you need to work hard. So let's save it and see. Okay, so go to 63, that you need to work hard. Why? Because this condition 63, this is equal to, this marks is equal to 63. So here the condition is if marks is greater than, so if it is 64, then this condition will be met. Okay, if it is not, then this condition is met. That's why we get this output. Okay, so I will take one more condition. If it is greater than equal to 63, sorry, if it is greater than equal to 63, so if it is equal to 63 as well, we will get this output. Okay, so let's save it and run it one more time. Okay, so you'll get this value. Okay, so if you have multiple condition, so how it works? So what I will do, I'll take the marks and define the range. So there may be nested if else statements as well. So here we have one condition. So if marks is in range less than equal to 60. Okay, then you should print grade 3. Okay, if it is less than 60, the grade will be 3. Then we have the else if statement. So I'll take like this. So else if the curly braces, I have this one, else if statement, condition here. So if marks is greater than 60 and marks less than 70, then I'll take grade 2 here. And if I take one more else if statement here, if marks is greater than 70 and between this, then grade will be 1, else you need to work hard. So, okay, so this is the full program. Okay, so I need to check the marks of that student in which range it is. Okay, so I'll take 63 here. Okay, and it should be grade 2. So we need to see which of the statements will be executed in if else and how it will work. So I'll save it and I'll run it. So it will be grade 2. So it range between 60 and 70. Okay. So the first condition is met. This is not right. And next condition is this, and third condition is this. And if I take this grade as 56, then the else part will be executive and we'll get the output as grade 3. Okay, so it's matching this. So what I'll do, I'll take a range here as well. If this is less than, I'll take, if it is less, if it is greater than 60 and marks is less than 64. So I'll take 63 here again. Okay. So I want to show you like how this if else statement will break. Okay. So according to this statement, the first if statement will hit this is greater than 60 and so this both condition will fulfill for this statement to execute, not one condition. Okay. So first 63 marks is greater than 60, correct? And marks is less than 64. So this condition is met. So you should print grade 3 as well. So similarly, in else of condition also, we have marks greater than 60 and marks less than 70. This condition is also met. So I want to see which of this condition got hit first. So I'll compile it again. So it will be grade 3. So whatever condition is met after that, the next condition is not executive. Okay. So by this, you can say, so this got true, and when it got true, this will be printed. Okay. So next part is, so we can use if statement without if else as well. Okay. So if we have, if I delete these all statements, so it can work with this as well. So okay, grade 3 will be printed. If I take 59, it will skip this if condition because the condition It won't print, okay? Because the condition is not met. This is false condition, so it won't go inside. Also, so there is one condition people generally mistaken. So if marks is equal to 60, if I save it, so will it execute or not? Because this is 59 only and it is not 60. So if I compile it again, so I'll get grade 3 again, though it is not 59. Why? Because we are assigning it, but we have to compare it. So in this C language, this double equal to will check the condition and not assign this value to this marks. So once this marks is 59, then it will goes here and it will give you 60. And so double equal to we should use to make this condition true. Okay. So this is all about if else statement. Let's see in the next video. Thanks.